When comparing the dimensions, the Honor X9c measures 162.8 millimeters in length, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is slightly longer at 164.4 millimeters. This makes the Samsung model a bit bulkier, which could affect its portability for some users. In terms of weight, the Honor X9c is lighter at 189 grams compared to the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, which weighs 200 grams. This difference might make the Honor model feel more comfortable for prolonged use. The Honor X9c boasts a larger display size of 6.78 inches, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a slightly smaller 6.7 inches. This gives the Honor model an edge for media consumption and gaming, providing a more immersive experience. The Honor X9c features an impressive 108-megapixel main camera with additional capabilities such as 3x lossless in-sensor zoom, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a 50-megapixel main camera. The higher megapixel count in the Honor X9c allows for more detailed images, especially in well-lit conditions. In terms of internal memory, the Honor X9c offers configurations of up to 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G maxes out at 256 GB with 8 GB RAM. This makes the Honor model more suitable for users who require extensive storage for apps and media. The Honor X9c also leads in display resolution with 1224 by 2700 pixels, compared to the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G's 1080 by 2340 pixels. This higher resolution on the Honor model contributes to sharper visuals and better clarity. Regarding the CPU, the Honor X9c is powered by the Qualcomm SM6450 Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G uses the Exynos 1330. The Snapdragon chipset generally provides better performance, especially in multitasking and gaming scenarios. The Honor X9c features a robust Si-C6600 mAh battery, which significantly outperforms the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G's 5000 mAh battery. This larger battery capacity in the Honor model ensures longer usage time between charges, ideal for heavy users. For selfie enthusiasts, the Honor X9c comes with a 16-megapixel front camera, compared to the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G's 13-megapixel. The higher resolution in the Honor model allows for clearer and more detailed selfies. The Honor X9c's main camera includes advanced features such as AI night mode and AI OIS motion sensing capture, enhancing low-light photography and reducing blurriness. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offers a solid set of features but lacks the advanced AI capabilities found in the Honor model. The Honor X9c provides a variety of selfie features, including beauty mode and gesture control, making it versatile for different shooting scenarios. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offers a wide-angle lens, which is great for group selfies but lacks the advanced features of the Honor model. Both models run on Android 14, but the Honor X9c is complemented by macOS 8, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G features One UI 6.1. Samsung's One UI is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. The Honor X9c's Qualcomm chipset is built on a 4nm process, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G's Exynos is on a 5nm process. Generally, the smaller process size in the Snapdragon chipset translates to better efficiency and performance. The Honor X9c features an AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smoother visuals, especially during fast-paced activities. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, which is good but not as fluid as the Honor model. The Honor X9c includes several display enhancements such as dynamic dimming and all-day eye protection, which can improve user comfort during prolonged usage. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offers a solid 90Hz refresh rate, but lacks these additional features. In terms of graphics, the Honor X9c is equipped with the Adreno 710 GPU, which generally offers better graphics performance than the Mali G68 MP2 found in the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, making it more suitable for gaming and graphic-intensive applications. For video recording, the Honor X9c supports 4K video at 30 FPS, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G can only record at 1080p. This makes the Honor model a better choice for users who prioritize high-quality video capture. The Honor X9c features an under-display fingerprint sensor, which can provide a sleeker design, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G utilizes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both have their merits, but the under-display option can enhance the overall aesthetics of the device. The Honor X9c includes features like drop resistance and temperature resilience, making it a more rugged option for users who need durability. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offers smart features like Samsung Knox Vault for enhanced security, which is a strong point for privacy-conscious users. Finally, the Honor X9c is priced at $350, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is more budget-friendly at $250. This price difference reflects the advanced features and specifications of the Honor model, making it a better investment for users seeking high performance.